First gym session after 2 weeks. Feeling good. That was a good run. Yeah, I'm just getting back to the rhythm of running again, because I haven't run for a while, apart from that one run in Busan. Yeah, feels really slow, and I gained around like 2 kg plus during this trip, so yeah, not a bad thing, but yeah, I just feel really slow and weak. So yeah, tomorrow hopefully I have a long day tomorrow, so hopefully I can wake up early tomorrow and then go for a short run before I tackle the day. So yeah, I might combine the vlogs, because yeah, this vlog is too short to put up on YouTube. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You for a while. But you're still doing the tuition thing, is it? Or is it like automated?
More or less automated.
So
thankfully.
you don't really get involved with that. So
I get involved in more of like the hiring, the managing.
Morning, guys. I had like a really busy morning this morning. And yeah, didn't manage to go for a run, but yeah, I got a lot of things to do today. Starting off with putting back some books at the library. I'm returning back some, and I might borrow some new books as well. And yeah, gonna meet a client later on. So I returned the book, and I left the bookmark inside the book, and they called me straight. Like, it's only a few minutes. Singapore, guys. There we go. So I think my official work is done. Gonna grab some early dinner, and then yeah, I'm gonna meet a young lad later on, and then try to convince him to work on something, because I think he have a huge potential, but doesn't seems like he's doing much. Maybe he doesn't have the leverage that I have, he doesn't have the connections that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna try to talk to him, see what's going on in his mind, and and see if we can work together on some projects, starting off with some little projects first. So yeah, that is that. So gonna grab some dinner, and then yeah, I'll see him later. Had a call with my dad, because he just launched some cosmetic products out of nowhere. So yeah, I'm just sharing with him how he can market and how he can sell, just giving him my some advice that I have. So yeah, and I'm back here to meet my guy and have a few beers, go home, washed up, and then go for a 10 km run. The reason why I'm meeting him is that I want to bring more people into my team, and this is one of the hardest thing you have to do, I feel, when you're starting out, because you need people that you trust. You can't just randomly hire people and then just burn out your cash flow. Yeah, because I've been in a position where I was the one who's slacking in a company, and I've been in a position where I see a lot of my friends slacking off just to get that a few months salary, and they are okay with being fired, or they just jump. So yeah, I think it's very important to build up that core team and then give them more responsibility to do, and then make sure the business grow at the same time. So yeah, I think that is the biggest challenge that I think I would have this year, because in terms of the client, I think it's growing, it's slowly growing, but we've now reached the point where we can't handle between me and Marcus anymore. So yeah, gonna just talk to more people and then try to pitch them, see if they're interested in helping out in any of the area, because we have so many things, right? So yeah, hopefully after I have a chat with him, he's interested, and then he'll be able to do the work. I'm not gonna ask him to quit his job, but I want to ask him to do what we do on top of his job, like how we are doing it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, what a day, guys. I'm finally home. I just had my dinner and some apple, and yeah, by the way, the pitch doesn't really go as planned. Yeah, maybe there's two things, right? Maybe they're not interested, they're not ambitious, and they don't want to risk it, or maybe my pitch just sucks, which could be the case, right? So yeah, but it's all good. But I will still keep in touch with them. I'll still every time my plan, every time I think about it, every time they bring up something, I will say that exact same thing, and I'll keep mentioning the meeting that we had today, and how I have what I have told them, and how I have showed them the way. So yeah, hopefully they turn their head around and then start joining the team, start doing things together with me. There's a lot of things, right? So yeah, whatever that they are interested in, they start approaching me. So yeah, but all good. We're all good. Nothing in life goes as planned. There's something that I learned. You just have to keep going and keep doing. So yeah, going out for a run. I'm just waiting. I'm just super full, so I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes until I go out for a run, and then I'll end the vlog. So yeah. Okay, since I have some time, I want to show you guys what I bought back in Korea. So I've never actually seen this brand before. I've only seen it on the TV. National Geographic is a hat that fits me really well, and the other one is a backpack. White, but I think it looks really good. Look at that. I don't know, I just feel like this hat really suits me. And it's have this, branding. I've always watched this National Geographic back in Myanmar. That was the only thing available for me, and the other one is Tom and Jerry. So yeah, and the bag looks pretty nice. They have this bag where there's a tote bag inside, and there's some string. I don't know, string kit. I don't think I'll ever use that. I don't like this design of it. Yep, everything, every little detail. And this bag is 100% recycled. And on their shop, they say that 30% of the sales goes towards the National Geographic and research and all that stuff. So yeah, I think this is a good purchase, and hopefully I get to rock this in a few days. I don't have any occasion for this bag though, but yeah, maybe I'll go and do a photo shoot, maybe. But yeah, that's it, guys. Anyway, for those who are asking why I keep only wear one shirt in a day, it's because I used to live alone, and yeah, I had to do everything myself, and I had to do the laundry and all that. So I try to limit the clothes that I wear in a day, and it doesn't smell bad. I'm gonna sweat anyway when I work out, so yeah, I don't change. I just stick to what I'm wearing the whole day and go for workout, go to the gym, and yeah, go and run. So yeah, there you go. So in the past 2 runs, I think what I've realized is I feel really heavy, and yeah, I mean, I gained over 2.5 kg during the Korea trip, so yeah, that's why, maybe that's why. But yeah, it was a good run. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll try to vlog more and then share more stories and bring you guys more along and document more here in Singapore. I'm trying to be as entertaining as as much as possible, as much as I can. I'm trying to be a better storyteller and share my own stories. So yeah, but it can be tough if I'm doing it every day. So yeah, sometimes it will be bad. Sometimes, I mean, it has been bad, so I apologize for that. But anyway, I still want to thank you guys for being here and still watching all these vlogs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.